So firstly, you want to get your square and pencil down on your mark. Secondly, you want to get your circular saw, turn it to 45 degrees and make your cut. Then turn your saw back to 0 degrees and run straight down that line. So now you want to get your jigsaw or coping saw and clear out all the excess. For me, I only use a coping saw for tricky cuts or oak. So in the next clip, you're going to see where there's a gap and it's not meeting up. So you want to run your pencil down the gap all the way up and clear this out with your circ or jigsaw and then retry. Voila.